60वां दिन, 60th डे। टेस्ट नंबर 1। 51 से 55 दिन। 16 से ऊपर अगर आपको नंबर मिलते हैं तो वेरी गुड, और अगर 12 से ऊपर मिलते हैं तो फेयर। नीचे के वाक्यों में कुछ अशुद्धियां हैं। इस तरह के वाक्य आप पीछे भी सीख आए हैं। इन्हें ठीक करके अपनी योग्यता की परीक्षा लें। शुद्ध शब्द साथ ही दिए गए हैं। आपको करना क्या है कि सबसे पहले मैं बोलूंगी सेंटेंस। उस सेंटेंस में एक शब्द कहीं पर गलत है, और वो शब्द कौन सा है ये आपको पता चलेगा जब मैं उस शब्द की स्पेलिंग बोलूंगी। पूरे सेंटेंस में केवल एक शब्द की स्पेलिंग बोलूंगी, और जिसकी स्पेलिंग बोलूंगी उस शब्द में कोई गलती है उसको आपको सही करना है। लेकिन उसी सेंटेंस का उत्तर मैं ठीक उस सेंटेंस के बाद दूंगी। ठीक है, तो शुरू करें। नंबर 1, प्लीज डू नॉट ट्रबल माई सेल्फ, MYSELF। आंसर, प्लीज डू नॉट ट्रबल मी। 2, प्लीज स्टे फॉर लिटिल मोर, FOR। आंसर, प्लीज स्टे अ लिटिल मोर। 3, put up the notice at the notice board, AT. Answer, put up the notice on the notice board. 4, he is very proud for his promotion, FOR. Answer, he is very proud of his promotion. 5, he was accused for murder, FOR. Answer, he was accused of murder. 6, he has been released at bail, AT. Answer, he has been released on bail. 7, he was sentenced for death, FOR. Answer, he was sentenced to death, TO2. 8, my radio is stopped, IS. Answer, my radio has stopped. 9, now switch on for Vivid Bharati, FOR. Answer, now switch on to Vivid Bharati. 10, have you weighted the parcel, WEIGHTED. Answer, have you weighed the parcel, WEIGHED. 11, you can new your driving license from the transport office, CAN, NEW, new. You can new your driving license from the transport office. Answer, you can renew your driving license from the transport office, RENEW, renew. 12, we have loosed our way, LOOSED, loosed. Answer, we have lost our way, LOST, lost. 13, why did you came back, CAME, came. Answer, why did you come back, 14, the road is closed for repair, CLOSE. Answer, the road is closed for repair, CLOSED. 15, the train is due on 11:30, ON. Answer, the train is due at 11:30. 16, we were listening at music, AT. Answer, we were listening to music. 17, it was a very interested story, INTERESTED, interested. Answer, it was a very interesting story. 18, do not depend on others, ON. Answer, do not depend upon others. 19, do not spit at the floor, AT. Answer, do not spit on the floor. 20, go for an walk in the morning and evening, AN. Answer, go for a walk in the morning and evening. With this, we come to the end of test number 1. Test number 2. 56 से 59 दिन। 16 से ऊपर अगर आपको मिलते हैं वेरी गुड, और अगर 12 से ऊपर मिलते हैं तो भी फेयर। ये वाक्य आप पीछे पढ़ आए हैं, पर यहाँ पर वे थोड़े से बदले हुए और गलत हैं। जिन शब्द की मैं स्पेलिंग बोलूंगी उन शब्दों को सुधारिए, उन गलत शब्दों को सुधारिए और अभी तक की जानकारी को कसौटी पर कसिए। जैसा कि हमने टेस्ट नंबर 1 में किया था वैसे ही हम टेस्ट नंबर 2 में भी करेंगे। सबसे पहले मैं आपको सेंटेंस सुनाऊंगी। सेंटेंस में जिस वर्ड की स्पेलिंग बोलूंगी वो वर्ड गलत होगा। उस गलत वर्ड को आपको करना है सही और उसके बाद ही सही आंसर आपको दिया जाएगा। 1. Have the account clear? Question mark. C-L-E-A-R clear. Answer. Have the account cleared? Question mark. 2. Did you got your wages? G-O-T got. Answer. Did you get your wages? 3. There is shortage on money. O-N on. Answer. There is shortage of money. O-F off. 4. How is he getting at with his work? A-T at. Answer. How is he getting on with his work? 5. Honesty is a best policy. A. Answer. Honesty is the best policy. 6. The man is the slave to his stomach. T-H-E the. Answer. The man is a slave to his stomach. 7. Your coat is cleaner to mine. T-O-2. Answer. Your coat is cleaner than mine. 8. Will you speak to her if she come? C-O-M-E come. Answer. Will you speak to her if she came? 9. Will you please borrow me a pen? B-O-R-R-O-W. Answer. Will you please lend me a pen? L-E-N-D lend. 10. Come home behind me. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind. Answer. Come home after me. 11. The number of the students are decreasing. A-R-E-R. Answer. The number of the students is decreasing. 12. I read this book in an hour and a half. A. Answer. I read this book in an hour and a half. We have put an here because H-O-U-R-R is pronounced as R. The H is silent. We do not pronounce the H. Therefore, O-U-R, the word begins with O, which is a vowel. So before a vowel, we have to put an instead of a A. 13. Sita and Rita is coming here. I-S is. Answer. Sita and Rita are coming here. A-R-E-R. 14. My mother gave me some good advices. A-D-V-I-C-E-S advices. Answer. My mother gave me some good advice. 15. The unfortunate was shoot dead. S-H-O-O-T shoot. Answer. The unfortunate was shot dead. 16. They will study German beside English. B-E-S-I-D-E beside. Answer. They will study German besides English. 17. The murderer was caught and hung. H-U-N-G hung. Answer. The murderer was caught and hanged. H-A-N-G-E-D hanged. 18. A dog is a wolf in his lane. W-O-L-F wolf. Answer. A dog is a lion in his lane. Because a wolf does not live in a lane but a lion does. 19. All's well that ends well. E-N-D apostrophe S ends. Answer. All's well that ends well. Instead of E-N-D apostrophe S, we will have to put E-N-D-S, ends well. 20. A crow in hand is worth 2 in the bush. C-R-O-W. Answer. A bird in hand is worth 2 in the bush. With this, we come to the end of test number 2. Test number 3. 12 से ऊपर अगर आपको अंक मिलते हैं इस टेस्ट में तो वेरी गुड, और अगर 8 से ऊपर मिलते हैं तो फेयर. कुछ लोग अंग्रेजी बोलते समय व्याकरण की अशुद्धियां यानी कि ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स कर जाते हैं. उन्हें बड़ी सावधानी से सुधार कर याद करना चाहिए. कुछ अशुद्ध वाक्य दिए गए हैं, इनमें व्याकरण की अशुद्धियों को ठीक कीजिए. इस बात का ध्यान रखें कि जब मैं आपको ये वाक्य बताऊंगी तो एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड ऐसा होगा जिसको स्पेल करूंगी, यानी कि जिसकी स्पेलिंग मैं आपको बताऊंगी. उसी वर्ड में कोई गड़बड़ है और उस गड़बड़ को आपको ठीक करना है, और सेंटेंस के बाद पूरा का पूरा सही आंसर आपको बताऊंगी. वी स्टार्ट अगेन. 1. He speak English very well. SPEAK speak. Answer. He speaks English very well. 2. This film will be played shortly. PLAYED played. Answer. This film will be released shortly. 3. Your elder brother is 5.5 feet high. HIGH high. Answer. Your elder brother is 5.5 feet tall. 4. The player plays very good. GOOD good. Answer. The player plays very well. 5. Many homes have been built up. HOMES homes. Answer. Many houses have been built up. 6. She is coward girl. COWARD. Answer. She is a coward girl. 7. We had a nice play of football. PLAY play. Answer. We had a nice game of football.
पृष्ठ 172.
8. I have no any mistakes in my dictation. HAVE have, NO no, ANY any, have no any. Answer. I haven't any mistakes in my dictation. 9. Strong air blew my clothes away. AIR air. Answer. Strong wind blew my clothes away. 10. I hurt a finger of my right foot. FINGER finger. Answer. I hurt a toe of my right foot. TOE toe. 11. She doesn't look as her brother. AS as. Answer. She doesn't look like her brother. 12. I have a plenty work to do. PLENTY plenty. Answer. I have a lot of work to do. 13. She spent the rest day at home. THERESTDAY. The rest day. Answer. She spent the rest of the day at home. 14. His father was miser. MISER miser. Answer. His father was a miser. 15. After they went home for dinner. AFTER after. Answer. Afterwards, they went home for dinner. With this, we come to the end of test number 3. Test number 4. 12 से ऊपर अंक अगर आपको मिलते हैं तो वेरी गुड, और अगर 8 से ऊपर मिलते हैं तो फेयर. 1. निम्नलिखित अधूरे वाक्यों में जहां जरूरी हो वहां ए, एन या द लगाइए. जहां पे आपको इन तीनों में से कुछ भी लगाना है वहां पर मैं बोलूंगी डैश, और उस जगह पर या तो आप ए लगाएंगे या एन और या फिर द. और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि किसी वाक्य में इन तीनों में से किसी की भी जरूरत ना हो. तो ध्यान से इस एक्सरसाइज इनफैक्ट टेस्ट को कीजिए. 1. Dash wheat grown in this area is of a good quality. 2. Is lead dash heavier than iron? Question mark. 3. I like to have dash apple daily. 4. This is dash check drawn on the overseas bank. 5. This is dash very fine picture. 6. Dash murderer has been hanged. 7. She is dash honest lady. 8. All dash letters have been stamped. 9. She'll wait for you at dash cinema hall. 10. Make dash habit of working hard. Now the answers. Answer 1. The wheat grown in this area is of a good quality. Answer 2. Is lead heavier than iron? That is, we do not need any of these 3 articles here. 3. I like to have an apple daily. 4. This is a check drawn on the overseas bank. 5. This is a very fine picture. 6. The murderer has been hanged. 7. She is an honest lady. 8. All the letters have been stamped. 9. She'll wait for you at the cinema hall. 10. Make a habit of working hard. 2. कोष्टक में दिए गए शब्दों का सही रूप में प्रयोग कीजिए. पहले मैं एक सेंटेंस बोलूंगी और उस सेंटेंस में एक जगह ऐसी होगी जिसमें आपको सही शब्द भरना है और वहां पर मैं कहूंगी डैश और उसी के बाद आपको एक ऑप्शन दूंगी और उस ऑप्शन के बाद सही आंसर बताऊंगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1. What is the cause of your dash? Option sad. Answer. What is the cause of your sadness? 2. His dash has turned grey though he is still young. Option hair. Answer. His hair has turned grey though he is still young. 3. This dash not enough. Option B. Answer. This is not enough. 4. Ram dash not get leave. Option do. Ram did not get leave. 5. Your watch dash stopped. Option have. Answer. Your watch has stopped. 6. There are more than a dozen dash in the zoo. Option deer. Answer. There are more than a dozen deer in the zoo. 7. Has he dash your salary? Option pay. Answer. Has he paid your salary? P-A-I-D paid. 8. Let dash strike a bargain. Option we. Answer. Let us strike a bargain. 9. You can avoid dash mistakes. Option make. Answer. You can avoid making mistakes. 10. Yesterday I dashed the letter in an hour and a half. Option right. Answer. Yesterday I wrote the letter in an hour and a half. And with this we come to the end of test number 4. Test number 5. 1. For, into, of, in, by, with, to, from, besides, after में से उपयुक्त शब्द लेकर निम्नलिखित वाक्य पूरा कीजिए. ऑप्शंस आपको एक बार फिर से बता दूं. For, into, of, in, by, with, to, from, besides, after. Now we begin with the questions. 1. What was the judgment dash the case? Question mark. Answer. What was the judgment in the case? Question mark. 2. Billu is fond dash cycling. Answer. Billu is fond of cycling. 3. The road is closed dash repairs. Answer. The road is closed for repairs. 4. Do not quarrel dash others. Answer. Do not quarrel with others. 5. I fell dash his trap. Answer. I fell into his trap. 6. I am not dash money. Answer. I am not after money. 7. Right dash his childhood. He has been very kind to others. Answer. Right from his childhood. He has been very kind to others. 8. They'll study German dash English. Answer. They'll study German besides English. 9. Your coat is not similar dash mine. Answer. Your coat is not similar to mine. 10. The letter is sent dash post. Answer. The letter is sent by post. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर वर्ब के उसी रूप में दें जिसमें प्रश्न पूछा गया है. उदाहरण के लिए प्रश्न When are you going home? Question mark. उत्तर I am going around 6 o'clock. 2. When will you go to office? Question mark. What will you be doing during the holidays? Question mark. How much money do you have? Question mark. Who will pay for the tickets tonight? Question mark. Are they leaving tomorrow? Question mark. When will you pay back the loan? Question mark. Have you written to her? Question mark. Do you like Delhi? Question mark. Will you please lend me some money? Question mark. Did he finish his work yesterday? Question mark. With this, we come to the end of test number 5. Test number 6. निम्नलिखित वाक्यों को पूरा कीजिए. उदाहरण Barking dogs dash. ये तो है दिया हुआ अपूर्ण वाक्य. अब आपको इसको पूरा करना है. For example, barking dogs seldom bite. Full stop. ये है पूर्ण किया हुआ वाक्य. इसी तरह से हम आपको कुछ और ऐसे वाक्य देंगे जो अपूर्ण हैं. इनको पूरा कीजिए. 1. Practice makes a man dash. 2. Dash is a friend indeed. 3. While in Rome dash. 4. Dash is strength. 5. As you sow dash. 6. Dash no gains. 7. Pennywise dash. 8. Dash dreads the fire. 9. All's well dash. 10. Dash is wealth. 11. A little knowledge is a dash. 12. Where there is a will dash. 13. Barking dogs seldom dash. 14. Time and tide wait dash. 15. Dash vessel makes much noise. With this, we come to the end of test number 6.
पृष्ठ 173.
टेस्ट नंबर 7. नीचे 2 वाक्य दिए गए हैं. उनमें से ठीक वाक्य का चुनाव करना है आपको. सबसे पहले तो मैं दोनों वाक्य बोलूंगी और फिर उसके बाद सही उत्तर बताऊंगी. तो शुरू करें. 1. A. They were not 3. B. They were but 3. Answer is sentence B. 2. A. His opinion was contrary to ours. B. His opinion was contrary of ours. Answer 2 is sentence A. 3. A. He acted in a couple school plays. B. He has acted in a couple of school plays. Answer 3 is sentence B. 4. A. He refused to accept my excuse. EXCEPT accept. B. He refused to accept my excuse. ACCEPT. Answer 4 is sentence B. 5A. I failed in English. B. I was failed in English. Answer 5 is sentence A. 6A. Get into the room. B. Get in the room. Answer 6 is sentence A. 7A. He is always into some mischief. B. He is always up to some mischief. Answer 7 is sentence B. 8A. I made it a habit of reading. B. I made a habit of reading. Answer 8 is sentence B. 9A. It will likely rain before night. B. It is likely to rain before night. Answer 9 is sentence B. 10A. She needn't earn her living. B. She needs not earn her living. Answer 10 is sentence A. With this, we come to the end of test number 7. Test number 8. A. इन शब्दों के अर्थ लिखिए और आपस में अंतर स्पष्ट कीजिए. Always, usually, never, rarely, addition, ADDITION addition. EDITION addition. Ready, already. Anxious, eager. Both, each breath. BREATH, each breath. BREATHE, breathe. CEASE, seize. SEIZE, seize. COUPLE, couple. Pair, fair. FAIR, fair. FARE, fair. Habit, custom. ITS, its. IT''S, its. Legible, readable. WHOSE, whose. WHO'S, whose. अर्थ न समझ आने पर डिक्शनरी की सहायता लीजिए. बी. सेक्शन बी में नीचे दो वाक्य दिए गए हैं. दोनों में थोड़ा क्रम का ही अंतर है. समझिए कि अर्थ में क्या अंतर पड़ता है. हर एक ब्लॉक में 2 सेंटेंसेस हैं. दोनों में ही थोड़ा सा अंतर है. इसको ध्यान से सुनिए और समझिए. 1. A. I don't try to speak loudly. B. I try not to speak loudly. 2. A. The young men carry a white and a blue flag. B. The young men carry a white and blue flag. 3. A. I alone can do it. B. I can do it alone. 4. A. The mother loves Amitabh better than me. B. The mother loves Amitabh better than I. 5. A. He forgot to do the exercise. B. He forgot how to do the exercise. 6. A. She was tired with riding. B. She was tired of riding. With this, we come to the end of test number 8.
पृष्ठ 174.